everyone, this is Muskan, and today we're going to do a book haul. So, this is the first book haul that I'm doing. Before this, I used to buy books in a bunch, but I used to never wait to open them, and that was literally the hardest part because all of the books arrived 4 days before, except this one book. So, I had to wait like 4 days to shoot this video and finally open all of these books. So, I'm like really excited. I also have a very special package opener with me. So if you're into anime and you have watched One Piece, this is one of Zoro's old swords. It's called Yushibro. I have a miniature version which I use to open packages. Since I'm going to require both of my hands for the unboxing, I'm gonna have to put this on. So let's get started with the first book. The first book in the book haul is Dance of Thieves by Mary E. Pearson. I have heard a lot of good stuff about this book, and it has been a while since I got into a new fantasy book series, so I'm really pumped. I heard a couple of booktubers give good reviews on this. I have no idea what's it about. If you've read it, let me know in the comments below what is your opinion on it. I want to go into it blindly, so don't give any spoilers. Now it's time for the next one. I ordered most of these books off of Amazon. That's where I usually get my books. I did get 2 of them from an actual bookstore. It's called Bahari Sons from Galleria Market in Gurgaon. So the second book is also part of a series I have again heard a lot of good things about, and I'm super pumped to read it. It's called The Inheritance Games by Jennifer Lynn Barnes, and I have seen so many YouTube shorts on it. I've seen it on Instagram. Okay, so let's read what's written on the back. $1 billion fortune. Avery has a plan. Keep her head down, work hard for a better future. Then an eccentric billionaire dies, leaving her almost his entire fortune. And no one, least of all Avery, knows why. Now she must move into the mansion she's inherited. It's filled with secrets and codes and the old man's surviving relatives. A family hell-bent on discovering why Avery got their money. Soon she's caught in a deadly game that everyone in the strange family is playing. But how far will they go to keep their fortune? It's giving Hunger Games, but in a very power-hungry billionaire K-drama sort of a setting. If you watch The Penthouse, it's a K-drama that I recently watched. I've watched like 4 K-dramas. And honestly, this book is giving me Hunger Games cross The Penthouse feels, and I'm totally down for it. Whenever I get into a new fantasy series or any long book series, I order the first one first, and if I like it, I order all of them together. So maybe in my next book haul, if I like this, you'll see the next 3 books that are there. And if you've read Inheritance Games, do let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Okay, so now we have this big package. I think it has 4 books. Let's open it and see. So the big package has the next 3 books in the Shatter Me series: Restore Me, Defy Me, and Imagine Me. I always hate when this happens. It rarely ever happens with Amazon, but it bumped the cover. Anyway, so I was one of those people who did not know that the Shatter Me series had transitioned into a 6-book series from a trilogy. So I recently did a video on it as well, where I went through my thoughts about the first 3 books and decided if I should actually pick them up again. Because I read them when I was back in high school, and I did not know if I would like them as much at my age right now. But when I made that video, at the end of it, I decided to give it a try, and I'll let you know how it goes. One more book that was part of that big package was Terms and Conditions by Lauren Asher. Again, this is one of the books that I saw on YouTube. I saw a few shorts about it. I saw some quotes that were flowing around, and it intrigued me. So I've recently decided to start diversifying in my romantic genre as well, because I have been very concentrated in a few authors that I keep picking up again and again, like Colleen Hoover, Jamie Maguire, John Green. I was not honestly feeling it with their newer books. I recently read a Christina Lauren book as well. It's called Love and Other Words. I did a review on it. I'll put the link down below if you guys want to check it out. So yeah, that's why I decided to pick up Terms and Conditions by Lauren Asher. From the back, it seems to be one of those fake marriage sort of stories. I've not really enjoyed that particular genre in the past. I hope I like this one. I'll let you know with a book review. Second last package. No. Oh no. Guys, I've accidentally ordered this book. So I was looking for another Christina Lauren book to order, and I found some title called The Enemy. And I think I've ordered the wrong book. It is called The Enemy, but it's by Sarah Adams. It has a New York Times bestseller sticker on it. I did not order it intentionally, but it seems to be another rom-com. I have no idea what this is about, but since it's a rom-com and the title is The Enemy, I'm guessing it's going to be a love-hate relationship. I'm both disappointed and excited at the same time. I'm disappointed that I did not order another Christina Lauren book because I wanted to give the authors another try. But literally I have no idea how Sarah Adams' books are. So if you guys have read her books in the past, please do let me know in the comments below if she's actually good or if this is a good book of hers. I am going to go totally blind into this one. So the last package I have is from a bookstore I went to in Galleria Market called Bahari Sons. I got 2 books from there. I got my first Christina Lauren book from there, which I read and posted a review about recently. And I got the new book in the Percy Jackson series, Percy Jackson and the Chalice of Gods. I am so excited for this. I have read this one. I have already posted a review video on it. I'll link it down in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Last book here is Percy Jackson and the Chalice of Gods by Rick Riordan. I'm so pumped to read another Percy Jackson book. I did finish the Trials of Apollo. I loved it. It was super funny. And I'm super excited to get into this one. So the premise for this one is that Percy and Annabeth are both in their senior years of high school and they are both looking to get into New Rome University, right? And Percy needs to have 3 letters of recommendations from 3 different gods, and he'll probably need to complete these ridiculous quests to get those letter of recommendations. I don't think these books are going to be as heavy as the original Percy Jackson series or the Heroes of Olympus series, but honestly I've just missed Percy's point of view for a while now and I just can't wait to get into this one. So yeah guys, that was my first book haul. I hope I did it right. If not, I'll do it right next time. And these are the 9 new books that I'm going to be adding to my bookshelf. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. And do let me know in the comments below which of these you want me to review first.